y'all doing today? This is your girl Amelia. I'm back with crazy reviews. My voice is out. I'm trying to get that back. Say hi, Jeffrey.
Hi. Hi. Say hi to
Hold this. Okay. Say hello.
Hello.
Say how are you? And then. Yes. Alright. Hold on, guys. And today we're gonna unbox this. I'm not sure. I've had so many packages, so I'm not sure what's in here, but I think it's my brand new wig. But of course, I just got my hair done, so I don't need it. But we're gonna open it anyway. It is. Those are the package. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is cute. Oh, this is so adorable. Okay. This is my wig. It's just a long bag. Okay. This is the Brazilian wig. It is 16 inches long. And let's see what she's looking like in here. I'm sorry. Shh. Oh my gosh. Oh. She feels so pretty. She's silky, honey. It don't got that stank like chemically smell. Oh, she's beautiful. I have another wig coming later on today. This I did not know. I thought this was a lace front when I bought it. This is not a lace front. This is a 100% lace wig. Or it's a 360. Okay. It's a 360 because I see on the inside you got the cap here. Oh my gosh. Y'all be buying stuff sometimes I don't even know. She's pretty. It does need to be bleached still, because it'll probably pull up to, I'm no professional, honey. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. They even gave me this cute little keychain of a kitty. Kitty. I swear I cannot talk above a whisper, so just bear with me. Oh, you can just stick this in my packets. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is so cute. But this is 16 inches long. It's Brazilian hair. Very much unique. And I'm gonna take off, but I don't think it's a full lace. I do believe this is like a 360. Just by the way it looks, but look at it. So you got all, this is the netting here. And look, you got all that space to part. Hold on, you got all this space here to part, braid. Do what you want to do, make it your own. Bring her up. Come with baby hairs, yeah. Even baby hairs. Maybe not this much. Okay, I'm looking at this how it does. Probably just a little bit. Probably just a little bit. But this is definitely a baby hair. Yeah, my baby hair. She doesn't have that little chemical smell, but I would still wash her. Just because that's who I am. But she's nice. She's not too too big. But, what do y'all think about it? You can definitely run your fingers through it. No shedding, so that's definitely good. It's not shedding like some kind of dang poodle. Okay, one hair, not bad. But I'm talking about whether or not she's like just you in there and you losing all your hair. She seems pretty good. Maybe when I take these out, I might wear her a few times. You definitely gotta take care of her. You definitely gotta wash her. I don't know whether to color her red. Cause I don't know. I want some crimson red like my hair I have here. So I don't know. I might color her red. I can do green. I can do a lot of different colors right now since this is human. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Oh. And for me, how I've said it in another video when I was reviewing bundles, for me, how I can tell whether or not it's a synthetic wig or a human, or if it's even actually real Brazilian, you're going to find if the hair is going to be in a brown state like this, like it is. And then, when you're looking through it, you're going to find a few of these. You're going to find a few gray hairs. I don't know if y'all can tell whether or not that's gray or not, but there's some gray hair in there. Like right there, that little short piece that's falling. Right on my pinky here. Like I said, I don't know if y'all can see that, but a few of them throughout. For me, this is why I color it, if I want it colored. Or I can just leave it in its natural state. Like, see that? That one is kind of dangling. You're going to find a few of them in there. And I'm not sure if it's the same for human hair. Just regular human hair that's not Brazilian. Whether or not you're going to find a few, you know what? I don't think you are. You shouldn't. Not in regular human hair. Because regular human hair is color treated to be black. And this is damn sure not color treated. Or you'd be able to like smell it really bad. And you definitely be able to see it. Because see how that nice, see how it has that nice brown look? And this probably will need to be bleached to be just a tad bit darker. But I think the cap size is pretty good for my size. Because my head is not that big. It just looks big right now with braids in. But this is your inside. You do have a few clips in here. Hold on. I felt them earlier. Here goes one. One here, and then one here. There's not one in the front. Now, of course, oh my gosh, that wash spot smells so good. And then you got your little tighteners here. Now, you could add you could take your combs out. So I've heard and I've seen. You could take these out and then you can add an elastic piece, and then you just pull it out and you put it on like that. Let me get my wig head so we can look at it a little bit better. Alright, we are backity back. Don't judge my wig head. She's been through it with me.
Hey, Mommy.
I actually drew her on some eyebrows. Put that back, please. Let's put her on. Let's put her on here. Yeah, she'll probably... No. No, stop! You're gonna make my pants fall. That way. That way. Thank you. Yeah, as you see her, she's cute. She was cute on my little wig head. Y'all, when I first got this, I got bored one night because I was like making a little wig. Her eyebrows are jacked up. One of them is thicker than the other. Like, I tried to use crazy hot glue to glue something in her eye. I tried to do like a crayon, melt the crayon in the glue so she'll have brown eyes. She used to have a lip ring right here like I used to have. I just don't wear mine currently. And then my son bit her nose off. And her lips. So, she used to have cute lips. She had a pink lip. And, you know, she was looking cute, okay? She was looking cute. But now we just trying. We just maintaining. She'll be all right. But look at her with her wig on. Yes, God, honey. She look good, don't you? Yes, God, honey. Ooh, 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 ooh. We don't want nobody to see you. About right there. Yeah, about right there. Yeah. But we don't want your hairline back here. We don't want that hairline back there. Seeing all that. Pull that thing up, honey. Yes. I'm not going to cut this because I don't cut lace too good. As you can see, we're going to pull these baby hairs out. But it looks like they gave you enough baby hairs for about here. So it looks like that's where they stop. Hold on. Yeah, the baby hairs stop like right here. But for me, even though this could be pre-plucked, I want it to look like my hairline. So most likely I'm going to have to cut a little bit more off. And this looks like it might have to go bye-bye. Because you want it to look really natural and all that. But it looks pretty plucked, but this might not work for me. I might actually have to cut some more of it off. And seeing how this is a 360, you know, I might have to cut a little bit more for my ear. But she is beautiful. And after that one hair fell out, it's like, you know, it's pretty good. I wouldn't even say that's light shedding. Because light shedding is like, yeah, light shedding, I'd probably say that. But it's not like most stuff where you have 3 and 4 and 5 fucking, excuse me, my bad. You have like 3 or 4 or 5 strands of hair falling out, but it's wonderful. I might have to shorten this video up because I did not know I was talking for no 13 minutes. Y'all ain't gonna watch that. Or I might just keep it. But what y'all think about this? I think it's beautiful for 16 inches. And they gave me this cute little keychain. The little kitty. Thank you. And who did I buy this from? Where's that box? Oh, well. I'm gonna leave the description for this in the link below. I believe I paid, I'm not sure actually, I'm really not sure. I had it written down. But I'll get back to y'all later, and I'll definitely be putting this baby in the description below. I paid full price for her, and she is now joining my wig family. I'm gonna call her Sasha. Maybe not Sasha, because my other wig's more of a Sasha than me. I'm going to call her Boss. Yeah, we're going to call her the Boss. And we might dye her purple, like Sasha Banks. Yeah, I'm feeling purple in this wig. I'll see y'all later. Bye.